Speak Studio. आप सबका मेरे चैनल में बहुत स्वागत है. Today's video is a very interesting one. It's all about how you can hide your acne, scars and your under eye dark circles all in one step with makeup. So let's get started. But before you watch this video, please do not forget to subscribe. So please subscribe and let's head towards the video. What I've done is I've washed my face and I've used a moisturizer that will hydrate my face well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this orange corrector. So this is what you need to use for your dark circles, okay? If you want to hide them, so this is what you need to do. But the trick is you need to take little, very little. Yeah, I think that should do. That should do. Because if you take too much, then it's very difficult to, conceal it. So I'm going to take little and with the help of my fingers, I'm going to put it under my eyes. I'm actually supposed to look here, but I'm looking that side because I can see myself properly. I'll get used to it. Now put this under my eyes and little on top. Now I'm going to tell you how you can hide your acne scars, your pimples or any marks on face. You can actually use this LA Curl Corrector in the shade green, but I'm actually going to use the Wet n Wild Coverall Corrector. I really love this. Actually this is enough because this is all the 4 colors. So I'm going to take the green. Why green? Because green complements red. So wherever you have red marks or any marks, you need to put green on it. I look so funny. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this foundation from L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Foundation. This is my favorite foundation. If I have any big occasion to attend, any party to attend, I go with this. This gives really good coverage and my favorite. So I'm going to take here a little and I'll be putting it all over my face. Like how you put your foundation normally. Now it looks more funny. Now I'm going to take this blender, which is a beauty blender, and I'm going to dab. So you're going to dab and not wipe, okay? So you're supposed to dab. Now I'm going to shift to this side when I'm doing under my eyes, because then it's very easy to conceal it. On my eyes I'm going to use this pointed side. This needs patience. But yes, this acne and the scars, they come out when we have some special occasion to attend. So I'm sure this will sort you out. So don't worry about that. If you think I'm looking too white here, it's because of the lighting. If you want, you can put little more. If you have more marks or something, you can put little more and then put foundation again and start dabbing. Now I'm going to lock my makeup. So it's very important to lock your makeup once you've done this, because then it will not melt. And I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Compact. This is a pressed powder. I'm going to just put it everywhere. That will give me a finished look. Now I'll just do my eyeliner, mascara and come back. So here is my finished look. What I have done is I have put eyeliner, mascara and a little bit of highlighter. I've not done anything else. This way you can hide any of your marks, whatever you want. Just simple tricks. Make sure you use the green one to hide the acne scars or pimples, because red marks is complemented by green. And for dark circles and all, make sure you use the orange corrector. or you can use this full palette. There are various color correctors in the market, so you can choose any. Make sure you have the orange, the green one to hide your marks, your dark circles and whatever. I hope this video was useful and I hope you all liked it and enjoyed it. Please comment below and tell me what you want me to do in future. What is the thing you want me to do in future? I really want to know. I want to read your comments. So please do not forget to comment, and if you like, then please give it a thumbs up because that will really motivate me. And do not forget to subscribe. Please share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.